Hey guys, this is AJAY Ajay, your director and founder of Cosmos English Academy. So guys, look, this is the evening batch, Eagle batch group. So in this session we have commenced the tenses, and today we have learned the things regarding simple present tense. So what is meant by simple present tense? I have taught them each and every rules. So guys, but I want to elaborate. First we will do introductory session. Shuraj, let's start your name and tell the information regarding you. Introduce yourself in front of camera. Say.
It's me, Shuraj Dattadre Sunita Wagmare.
Yeah, speak then. Where are you from?
I have become to Naldur.
Yeah, I am from Naldur. Say, I am from Naldur. Say. Say, I am from Naldur. Say. Be loudly. Say. Don't hesitate yourself. घाबरायची गरज नाही. चलो, I am from Naldur. Say. I am from Naldur. Mana.
I am from Naldur.
Thank you. Hari, introduce yourself.
This Balaji Pirkale. I am from Niranga.
Introduce yourself. Mudayara introduce.
From Nilanga. My school name is Kidis Pukar from Pet Alatur.
My name is Akash Kumar Pawar. I am from Latur. Thank you.
Chalo.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Sarvesh Sushant Katade. I belong to Latur. I belong from my parents. I live with a little sister whose name is Sanvi. I am also doing a foundation course in Cosmos English Academy, Latur. Thank you.
Next, chalo, Rashna ma'am, speak.
I am Rachna Bhagwat. I am completing MSc Math B.Ed MBHR. Today I am working in the Media School of Engineering as assistant professor. So I believe that where there is a will, there is a way. And at the age of 37, I joined the Cosmos English Academy. And I think that it is very useful for me and all from the little to not here is not the age limit to join this class. And when I joined here, I was happy that I am communicate with the from the little person to big age person, elder person. So let us see what is in the day by day there is improvement in my English language. So let us see and how much we go for. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving us valuable knowledge about English. Opinion to some people that if they cannot communicate in English very well, they can join this Cosmos English Academy. Really, this is very useful, and I see the improvement in me. So thank you so much, sir.
Give a big hand for Rashna ma'am. Good guys, Rashna ma'am has elaborated the thoughts regarding that. Since from 21st June, she had joined the batch and she got a lot of results from just such a methods. I have taught them. I have just dealing with this method like that GTM method, direct method, and PBL method. Now we are working on the tense, and the main reason behind the motto of that tense is just learn English and lead the world. Everyone can learn English and lead the world. So great opinion has elaborated by Rashna ma'am. Next, Shraddha ma'am, come speak.
Hi, I am Shraddha. I am from Latur. I am completed MCA in JSPM College. Now I am housewife.
Good. Thank you. Chalo, Abhishek, speak.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Ranjit. I am from Latur. Thank you.
Speak loudly. Hello, all of you. Say.
Hello, all of you.
My name is.
My name is Sheikh Al-Tafiza. I'm from Latur.
Yes, ma'am. Come and speak.
Hi, I am Smita from Kharani. I belong to Gurji. In my family, apart from my parents, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Thank you.
Good. Give a big hand for her. Sanskruti, come. Sanskruti Viphat, come and join her.
Hi, my name is Samskruti Gagan Kapoor and I also doing foundation course in Cosmos.
Good. So guys, we have to discuss regarding simple present tense. What is meant by simple present tense, and we have to use the rules and regulation where to use and how to use the simple present tense. So let's start. What is the use of simple present tense? Tell me. Who can tell the use of simple present tense means? What is the definition of simple present tense?
Daily routine.
Yeah, we have to use in daily routine. Great, Shraddha ma'am. Next.
Habitual
habitual action. Great, Rashna ma'am. Then natural things. We have to use the simple present tense in three formats. For example, daily routine, habitual action, and natural things. These are the use of simple present tense. If the action happens in the present situation, what guys? If the action happens in the present situation, that time we should have to deal with simple present tense. Rule number 1. Who will tell? Who will appreciate rule number 1? Yeah, Gaurav, tell. Yeah, Sarvesh, tell.
In simple present tense, we have to use V1.
In the simple present tense, we have to the verb form first. That means V1. We have to use the first form of verb. Rule number 2. Yeah, ma'am, speak.
If there is a subject I, we, they, you, then we use the V1 as it is in front of this.
Yeah, if the subject is I, we, you, they, then we have to use V1, means verb form as it is. Then we need not to use any affix in front of that I, we, you, they, in front of that subject. In front of that subject, we don't need to use any affixes, any prefixes like yes, es, ies. Rule number 3. Who will appreciate rule number 3? Sarvesh? Yeah.
If
Yeah,
the
see?
subject is he, she, it, or any third person, then we use the yes, es, or ies. And if
Yeah, absolutely correct. Rashna ma'am has elaborated point excellently. Look guys, if the subject is he, she, it, then we have to use suffixes, means affixes like that. Yes, es, ies. If the end part of the verb is yes, ss, ch, o, f, j, then we have to use ies as an affix. If the end part of the verb is not yes, ss, ch, o, f, j, then we no need to use ies. Then we have to put yes as an affix. Or number 3, there is like that. If the end part of the verb is y, that time we have to use yes as it is in front of that. There is unexpected rule like that. If the subject is, if the verb part of that word is y, and before the y there is a vowel sound, that time we have to deal with as it is yes. That time we don't need to use y as it is ies. And number last, what is the in the end part of the Marathi sentence? What is that? What is the end part of the Marathi sentence? तो, ती, ते, तोस, तास. म्हणजेच बाबांनो, साधा जो वर्तमान काळ आहे मराठी लँग्वेज मध्ये बोलताना त्याचा शेवट तो, ती, ते, तोस, तास याने होतो. And final number is like that. There are two helping verbs we have to use in simple present tense. Number 1 is do, number 2 is does. If the subject is I, we, you, they, then we have to use do. If the subject is he, she, it, or in third person singular name, that time we should deal with does. Getting my point, all of you? Have you recited all the rules and regulations? If any doubt, any problem, any question? No doubt, no problem, no question. Give a big hands for yourself. Out our live session. Bye. Good, good.